Hi, peoples. I got new hair.
Okay.
That's my best friend Audrey, and she's being a bad word because she's talking to her boyfriend Adam. These boys that are my best friends, they made up the song. And they go, ba-da, ba-da, ba-ba.
Shut up, Harley!
Audrey!
Shut up!
And then another one is Audrey, how I love you, how I
Shut
love you,
up! I hate
my
that
dear Rose
song.
Audrey. Do. Look at my best friend, aren't we cute?
I hit my computer after that.
Isn't my best friend awesome? Look at him. His name is Jarek.
Ew.
I love him.
I hate him.
What if we find as best friend, like, because that would just be weird if I just liked a guy when he had a girlfriend. Is it recording? I'm gonna be really mad if it's not.
It's not.
Yeah, it is.
Aww.